so, oops, I found the answer, but let's see how we found the answer, right? So perimeter is 56 feet. So the way that we did that was either we added 20 plus 20 plus 8 plus 8. All right, so perimeter is equal to 40 plus 16. I'm just trying to do this with I added the 20s first and then added the 16s. So it's easier to look at. So that would mean that perimeter equals 56 units. Or if we did 2 lengths plus 2 widths, what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace the L with 20, and I'm going to replace the W with 8. So now I have perimeter equals 2 times 20, which is 40, plus 2 times 8, which is 16. And once again, that gives me 56. So as you can see, we're solving in our simplified form, our Tinky Winky triangles. All right, so you will be using formulas to figure out perimeter and area in 5th grade, and volume, but we're not going to get to area or volume today. So let's continue on. All right, perimeter of a rectangle. So I want you to go ahead and solve this one either using perimeter equals side plus side plus side plus side, or perimeter is equal to 2 of the lengths plus 2 of the widths. And then we'll come back and check. So go ahead and do it. Welcome back. All right, so perimeter is equal to 10 plus 10 plus 3 plus 3. If you're wondering where I got the other dimensions from, remember if that is if that is a rectangle, then we have opposite sides that are the same length. So perimeter equals 20 plus 6, perimeter equals 26. And on this one, we do have a specific unit. It says inches. So we're going to say 26 inches around this rectangle. All right, we can use the same idea over here. 2 lengths plus 2 widths. So the length, or the total of 2 lengths is 2 times 10, which is 20, plus 2 times 3, which is 6. So our perimeter, once again, is 26 inches. So you will have this formula on your STAR reference guide. So if you get used to using this formula for rectangles, perimeter equals 2 lengths plus 2 widths, then you'll have that ready for you on the test as well. All right, next up. Oh, well, they just showed you how to do it with the formula. Ta-da! 26 inches. And don't forget inches, because these are specific inches, not units. All right, so, oops. I don't know why they, let's scoot back a second. Okay, so perimeter equals side plus side plus side plus side plus side. They're not talking about a rectangle because they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So if you're looking at this pentagon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides, we could add 4 5 times, or we could just multiply it by 4. Either way, we get the answer 20 inches. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 20. Also, 5 times 4 equals 20. So you can multiply the length on a regular polygon by the amount of sides there are. If they're not regular polygons, then you just add the sides together. All right, since this one was regular, all the sides were the same length. Okay, they were all congruent. Next up, all right, so what is the perimeter of this square? So they only give you one dimension. So I want you to think, what do you know about the other sides of the square if a square is a rhombus? So we could label all the other sides because they're all going to be the same. So you could do perimeter equals side plus side plus side plus side, or you could do perimeter equals 4 times the side length, since all the side lengths are the same. So we could do perimeter equals 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. That looks like my sides. Perimeter equals 20. Or we could do perimeter equals 4 times 5, because each side length is 5, and there are 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So perimeter is equal to 20. And let's be specific on both of these. Centimeters. All right. So, you will get the formula on your STAR guide that says perimeter equals 4s. So 4 times the side lengths. And that is how you find the perimeter of a square. So come back and we'll take a look at this one.